Hello, let's see how we can browse and edit entries or data obtained in one-click survey. This video will show you how to browse, edit, and delete survey data, as well as some advanced functionalities. In the Data Browse tab, we can view all respondents' entries. Only valid entries where the respondent completed at least one question are included by default in all analyses. At the top of the page, we can switch between all units and valid units. We can view the survey with the answers of a particular respondent in the data table by clicking on the computer icon at the beginning of each row. The display of data in the data table can be adjusted by clicking on Show Columns. We can set the display of the following data: status and status details, empty unit, record number and date, response data, labels, respondent paradata, and respondent record number. Enabling export option allows us to export individual respondents' answers in the form of a questionnaire to PDF or Word. Enabling the edit option allows us to edit the individual respondents' answers. Respondents' answers can be edited in two ways. One, in the form of a survey, two, in the form of insight. To delete survey data, edit option must be enabled. To delete one unit, click on the bin icon on the left of the unit you want to delete. To delete multiple units, check the units you want to delete and click Delete Selected above the units. To delete all units, check the Select All checkbox above the units and then Delete Selected. In all cases, we need to confirm the deletion. Caution is advised when deleting data. Instead of deleting units, we recommend using filters to hide certain units. Information on data restoration is available in the description. If the units are still displayed in the database after deleting them, the database must be updated manually by clicking on the refresh icon at the top right. Data can be filtered by statuses, variables, conditions, and dates. More information about filtering is available in the video Exporting Data to SPSS and Excel. Link is in the description. This was a display of browsing and editing data in one-click survey.